Hello, I'd like to discuss the TruView Fusion today. Now, the TruView Fusion is our largest and most versatile X-ray system. And because of its size, it gives us a lot of capabilities that we wouldn't otherwise have with the other X-ray system models. It's about 36 inches deep, about 50 inches wide, and about 70 inches tall. And with that height, really gives us a lot of options in magnification, how we can change it and play with it to get the magnification that we need. Now, the TruView Fusion was designed with automation in mind. So it becomes standard with several degrees of automation, which allow us to then program in and analyze our samples to, quickly and efficiently check our process, do quality assurance and failure analysis, things like that. Now, the system is equipped standard with a 20-inch by 20-inch viewable area, and that is the area that when you manipulate your sample around, you can view up to 20 inches by 20 inches. But if you, for example, have a larger board that's 48 inches long and 20 inches wide, we can still open up the sides on the system and make a conveyor so that we can actually move that sample in and out of the system and still view the whole thing. So the TruView Fusion really has that capability that we can actually play with it and customize it however you might need to fit your application. So standard, as I was describing before, automation-wise it comes with X, Y, and Z automation. Now the Z automation is a little bit unique because we move both the camera sensor, the X-ray camera, and the Xray source individually to really play with magnification and give us the levels that we need. It also comes standard with tilt and stage rotation. Now there's other options we can incorporate into the TruView Fusion, such as reel-to-reel. If you need to inspect every single component, the reel-to-reel option allows you to run the tape through the system and take an X-ray image of every single part on that system. Also, another option is the sample rotation. So we can actually add another little stage in there where we can rotate that sample 360 degrees within the field of view and acquire images every degree or so, or however much you choose, to play back essentially a movie of your X-ray sample moving. And also, as I said before, we can open up those sides, put a conveyor belt in the system for any inline high throughput application you might have. Now, the TruView Fusion can be equipped with several different Xray sources, ranging from an 80 kV mini focus source up to 150 kV micro focus source. And the same goes for the Xray sensor. We have a lot of variability to play with. Standard is a 3 by 4 inch flat panel detector, but if you have larger samples, we can go up to a 17 inch by 17 inch flat panel detector, or even a 4:2 image intensifier if your application requires it. Now, as with any X-ray system, safety is paramount. The TruView Fusion is no exception. The system itself is comprised of lead and steel to contain all the radiation created with X-rays, and as well, it's equipped with several redundant interlocks to prevent any accidental exposure to radiation. So the front door is equipped with 2 interlocks. We have an emergency stop located next to me, and the key switch located on the side of the panel. Any side ports or doors or access panels are also going to be equipped with an interlock that are all going to break the current to the X-ray source and discontinue any generation of X-rays. If you have any questions or want to discuss your application, we'd love to hear from you. So visit us at creativeelectron.com, and thank you very much.
Creative Electron.